We're over here. There is the where the airbag is plugged into the car. Before, like in my case, before I'm going to plug disconnect the airbag. I've disconnected the battery first. Do the when I switch on the car, like I start the car, it's going to notice that I'm without an airbag. To do this, it's very simple. All you need is like a flat screwdriver like this. You put it right here. It has like these two kind of plastic clips over here. One over here, the other one on the other side. You just I put it underneath and you pull it up like this, and you pull it, like when you pull it, it will stop halfway, but you just pull it hard and it will come off. The same at the other side, the other one. Simple as this. Then all you have to do is pull this backwards. Might be good if you remove the carpet. It can't be in the wood. You can see this kind of red plastic over here. It's like a bottom. It's not a bottom. It's like it's part of the cable attachment. Part of the so I'm going to part of the cable of the socket. I'm going to just pull it towards me. Now you hear a clip sound like this, and you just lift it up, like by pulling hard towards you and pull it up. Yeah, you see, very simple. Now the seat, the airbag is disconnected from the car, and now we can proceed to remove the whole seat. It's loose. Damn, it's big. I thought it was small.